On our construction projects, what happens is the superintendent of the project gets notified. I get notified simultaneously. Our HR gets notified just because they're tracking and keeping everything together.
Right.
The superintendent checks with the individual to see if they answered a question wrong or what took place. And then based on what information he finds out, if it's a mistake, he sends out a notification to myself and HR that, hey, it was a mistake. He hit the wrong button. And then the individual retakes it. And when access is granted, then comes into work. If the individual answers a question because they were exposed or something, they're asked to leave the site. They're removed off the site. And then they contact their employer if they're a subcontractor, or if they're one of our employees, they contact myself. And then we start the process on going through. We do the investigation, where they've been, who they've been in contact with, and then we get them set up. We have a rapid testing site that we have a contract with.
Okay.
We'll send them off over there to get them tested and go from there. If they're not a Peacock employee, then what we do is we notify that company, hey, your employee at this time, blah, 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 came in, and we turn it over to them. We do require them to get that individual tested. We need to have a negative test or be kept informed. So because we have a responsibility to let the building owners that are letting us come into their site to work, we have to keep them informed of what's going on. If there's any potential contact with, say, a security guard or a building engineer or something along those lines. So that's how we handle those.